everyone. I am a second year MBA in Sports Management student at MBA ESG. So far, my experience with MBA ESG was very good. It was very interesting, having a lots of guest lectures, internships, and industrial visits. The faculties, they are every time they are available to help you out with anything. Their study materials are very helpful as to go through the techniques, how we have to study for our exams, and there are lots of opportunities which are given by the college.